Hey everyone, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I do videos about business, home, and lifestyle. So if that is something you're interested in watching, then please consider subscribing down below. We're gonna see what we're gonna take out, and we're gonna paint it pink.
There we go. And I stay cleaning the motor.
Okay.
And from there.
I'll just take these two. That's it.
So you don't want to take this one?
Nah, that don't look
This
too
one?
cool.
It just like that. It just pops off like that. Yeah.
A couple hours later, we just got back from the store. My husband came to check it out, and he did not like this brand. So we went to Home Depot this time. Tried to find the closest color that we can get, but this is all that they had. So we got two of these, and we're going to finish up this project. Hey everybody, so it's about a week later. We're going to continue this project. The paint cans that we got actually made this turn red, in my opinion. My husband says it looks a little bit more orange. So I ended up ordering these from Amazon, which should get them hot pink. So this one says gloss hot pink, and then we have the additional gloss that I showed you guys at the beginning of this video. So my husband's gonna bring the other two that we were doing. We're gonna paint all four and continue this so I can show you guys when I'm done.
The same glass brand and the same that kind of brand. The other one's Ross.
Rust something?